Okay, so this is a little video about what to do with your data once you have it. So I am going to first of all come over here and I am going to make a copy of this. Um, so once I make a copy, then I can sort of play with this data as I like. Um, and I'm going to pick a categorical variable and I'm going to pick a quantitative variable. So I am going to pick the categorical variable, the math and English, and I wonder if that is linked to how many times people um, exercise per week. Let's just see what happens. So since I don't really need any of these other ones, I'm going to delete these columns, and I did that by going to the edit and then down to delete. And I'll do that the same thing here. Highlight the C column and I'll go to edit, delete column, and then I'll just delete the rest over here. And edit, delete. I also don't, well, I'll leave those. So now what I really want to do is I want to be able to sort my data. And there's some great tools for that. So there's a couple of ways. If I go up here at this column, I'll notice there's a little arrow right there and I can sort that sheet. And if I do that, it's now sorted by the English and then math. What this lets me do is this lets me pretty easily enter my data into Statplet. So I'm going to get another screen going here. Let me find the window where I have the Statplet. So if I pull up Statplet, and I'll go to the home and I'll go to the start page of Statplet. This is one quantitative variable, but I have it put in two groups. So I'm going to click on one quantitative variable, multiple groups. My variable names is number of times exercise per week. And then I have really English and math. And now I'm going to enter my data. So just like before, when I enter the data, you can either in Statplet, you can either put a space or a comma. I'll go ahead and just put spaces because I'm faster like that. So I have 4, 6, 4, 3, 3, 3, 6, 5, 2, 4, 4, 6. And I'm going to scroll down, kind of keeping my place here. 5, 2, 3, 0, 0, 6, 5, 7, 5. Okay, so that's it for the English group, and now I'll go to the math. And I have 5, 2, 3, 7, 3, 6, 3, 5, 3, 3, 6, 2, 2, 7, 7, 7. Okay, so there we go. And it does not matter if they do not have the same numbers, the same amount. So when I click this, I have the dot plot comes up. Notice there was 22 people in the English group and 25 in the math. That's not a problem at all. Here I have this dot plot. I can also change it to a histogram, see if I like that better. There's not a right and a wrong graph, whichever you like. I put the box plots on here because there was a couple high in the math distribution, but I wanted to see if they were actual outliers, and the box plot tells me that no, they're not. So kind of going from these, whichever graph you like better, and you should be all set. But that's just a little bit of how to work sheets and organize your data quickly. All right, good luck.